everyone, this is Jamila coming to you today to bring you part 3 of the What is Upscale Queen series. Part 1, I gave you all a quick overview of what is Upscale Queen by taking you through what the history is, where the idea came from, where we're going, and just things like that to hopefully give you a quick insight on what Upscale Queen is, because we have, people have asked, exactly what is that, or is it a brand? What do we do? So if you haven't, please go back and watch that video to get a quick overview on, what is Upscale Queen. Part 2, I gave you a quick intro on myself, who's Jamila, which is the title, who is Jamila, and just let you know what my background is, where the idea came from, and what I do what I've currently been doing as my day job, and what my background is. So that is part 2. And then we're coming on down to part 3, which is an introduction of the Upscale Queen Squad, or the UQ Squad, who is my family, the biggest support group anyone could ever have. They are awesome, outstanding group of women and men. But for UQ Squad, is majority of the women who are in my family who are assisting with this. And just to introduce you all to them, we have my mom, Ruth, my sister, Winnie, who we call Winnie, my niece, Kai, niece, Shekinah, and niece, Toni. So I'll give you a quick, intro of who they are, and then you can just kind of stick around, and eventually we'll be having like some live interviews, and you all may see us, doing things as we go. We'll record them and put them out there so you can kind of laugh at us, because we are hilarious once we get together as a group. So first up, my mom, Ruth. My mom is a minister. She is a songstress. She has an actual CD that is out. And she is also a teacher and a seamstress. So she is the individual who assists me with, when I come up with a design, or I'm trying to do something like a do-it-yourself project, or I'm trying to cut something up or create something. She'll give me that idea on how to make it more sturdy, what's the best cut, just things like that. She's that base person for me when I'm trying to do something that I may not be able to do. I'll run it by her, and she'll, give me some ideas on the best way to make it happen. And my mom's also a designer, so she'll come up if an idea comes to her, she'll bring it to me, ask me if I think it would be something, cool to put on a shirt. I'll come up with the design, and if it's something that we both like and the family likes, we'll put it out on the website, and we'll go from there. So in a nutshell, that's my mom. And then we come on down to my sister, who's Winnie. We call Winnie. Winnie is our social media guru. She's that person who's always out there, online, looking up stuff and reading things and kind of giving us a heads up on what's coming up next. My sister is also a musician. She plays the piano and the organ, and she also sings. She is a hard worker and actually has her own business as well. She has a lingerie boutique called Woo Lingerie Boutique, and she actually has a website, Woo Lingerie. So you all need to go out there and look it up, because she does have some very nice lingerie that's out on her website. And if it's anything that you see, that's not on your size, she'll get it ordered for you, and she posts things out there daily. So please check it out. But and that is my sister Winnie. And then we're coming on down to my oldest niece, Kai. Kai is our artistic designer. She is that person who takes whatever I think of to the next level. It's like this girl has that weird eye. It's like, but it's so weird to where it's cute. It's like if I see something like, okay, yeah, I want to do it this way. She's like, oh, you should add X, Y, Z. You should add this. You should add that. And when we do it, it's like the cutest thing ever. So Kai is one of those who loves to craft, and she loves to try new things. So if something comes up, I'll ask her, Kai, can you try to do this and see, what it's like, if it will work? So she's that person who helps me come up with creative ideas on how to, come up with something that could be a little different from your norm that someone would like. Then we come on down to Shekinah. Shekinah is our marketing queen. She's actually the sales manager for a major hotel chain where she does their marketing and things like that. So she has an eye for these things. She's really good at seeing what's out there, where you should put your items. She's the one who helps me with the social media pages, like, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest. She'll show me how to do those things and tell me, what to put where and how to come up with different designs and things like that. So that is Shekinah. She is, like I said, our marketing guru. And then we have Toni, who's our event planner. Toni is the baby of the family, and too funny. she comes up with the best crazy ideas for events, and they all, there's things that are really catchy. So if we want to do something, I'll say, Toni, we need to come up with some type of special. She'll think about it and give me ways to implement this, some ideas that stand out that would be a little different from your norm for an event or for a contest or for something like that. So Toni is our event planning queen, and she also helps me create designs and things like that, as well as Shekinah and Toni. But Toni is that person who, if I need someone to help me, make a t-shirt or make a clutch or just do anything, she's one of those who's not afraid to try something different. She will help me like practice on designs and come up with different, prototypes and things like that. So Toni is my kind of all-to go-to girl, but she's very helpful, and and I love her to death. And she's my event planner and one of our creative designers. So there you have it. I was trying not to, take up too much of your time, but you have a quick overview of who the UQ squad is. And that's, as I said, my mom, Ruth, my sister, Winnie, my nieces, Kai, Shekinah, and Toni. And then, of course, there's me, Jamila. So I hope you all enjoyed this, part 3 of the UQ history and what is Upscale Queen. And you all will tune in for what we have coming up next. We will be doing how-to videos on, like how to make clutches, how to make face masks, how to make t-shirts, and, how to make other things that we have that we do and offer on our website that we think would be interesting to you. And we try to do things that are kind of simple, because I know everyone don't want to do a whole lot, or, they may not have the time to do things. So I try to put things that may take you 5 minutes to do, but can actually spruce up your, whatever it is that you're wearing, your outfit, your t-shirt, whatever it is you're doing, something that's really quick and simple to give you that pop when you go out on the street, or, if you're just out shopping or whatever it is you're doing. So, okay, well, thank you. Please hit subscribe to our channel, to stay in the know on what we have coming up and what we currently have posted, and, what's upcoming, what we are posting. And I thank you all for listening, and you all have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.